Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to your favorite channel, Jharna Gallery. How are you friend? Hope you are all well. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharna Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. So, without wasting your time, let's see what we draw today. Today I draw Durga Puja Drawing. Follow steps of the drawing carefully. Draw lightly so that if you do a mistake during drawing, you erase it easily. If you have any queries about drawing, please comment me. I will clear your all doubt about drawing. Join button is now activated in our channel. Join our VIP membership to get extra drawings for your practice. If you want to know how I color it, please watch my video till end. It will be helpful for you. You can draw it in your art competition. Now I use black sketch pen for highlighting the drawing. So sketching is complete. Now it's time to color it. I use oil pastel colors to color it. Let's see. Use light blue color. cerulean blue hue color. Use primary red color. Use orange color. Use deep yellow color. Use yellow ochre color. Use brown color. Use fresh tint color. Use light green color. Use deep green color. Use pink color. Use rose pink color. Use dark brown color. Use brown color. Use black color. Use black color pencil. Use gray color pencil. Use red color pencil. Use pink color pencil. Now I use cotton earbuds for smoothing the color. Use white color. Use Prussian blue color. Use pink color pencil. Use black color pencil. Thank you so much for watching till end. If the video was helpful for you, then please like the video and leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel for more drawing videos and press the bell icon for further notification. See you in another new video. For now, you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.